Hey, welcome students. This is Vriddhi on behalf of Evolution Apps team. So, welcome everyone. So, today's topic is a different network of blockchain. So, it's a very interesting topic. So, uh, different before we go further, let's discuss about what we are going to teach in this lesson. Different network. Different network. You have seen that in the cryptocurrency, there are lots of blockchain available right now. So it's a very difficult moment for a situation come in mind. So we have to send fund on which blockchain. So you have seen in the news also that so many old investor, new investor sent fund on the wrong network. So that's why it's very important. What's the right network? We have to send fund. So guys, before let's discuss about the different network. First, we should understand the blockchain. What's blockchain? So you can see here that blockchain is a list of digital data records. Such records is comprised of many a block of data. Blocks are set of information. Block have certain stores capacities. When it filled are closed and set the preciously filled block. That set of block are blockchain. So Bitcoin has a block time of 10 minutes and block size is 1 MB. So what it mean? It mean Bitcoin network will take 10 minutes to fill the block size of 1 MB. So if you send Bitcoin to the another exchange, a person, it will take around 10 minutes. Sometimes it take less time also. It's depend upon the frequency of miners, how they mine. So let's say next Ethereum block are currently typically around 80 KB in size or around 4 MB in a 10-minute time period. So it means Ethereum size a block is bigger than Bitcoin. So capacity is much higher than the Bitcoin, and time process is much faster than Bitcoin. You can see here the transaction process. You see here the Bitcoin. Here a new transaction is entered. That the transaction is then transmitted to a network of peer-to-peer computer scattered across the world. Then next process This network of computers then solve equations to confirm the validity of the transaction. Once the confirmed to be legitimate transaction, they are clustered together into the block. These blocks are then chained together and creating a long history of all transactions that are permanent. And this is the last point where transaction is complete. So this is the process of how the transaction work. This transaction process same for every network: Ethereum, Ripple, XRP, Tron, TRX. The same process for every network. Okay, let's see. There are 4 types of blockchain network. Public blockchain, private blockchain, consortium blockchain, hybrid blockchain. So you can see in this diagram, all are very unstable. Let's see what public blockchain we generally use, and right now is a hype in the market. So that's a public blockchain. Why the hype for public blockchain? Because of no central authority. Second one is private blockchain. Private blockchain controlled by one authority. So it's not favorable for the community. We don't use public blockchain. Third one is a consortium blockchain. It's a controlled by a group of people. It's like an organization that's controlled by a group of people that manage according to hierarchical process. Fourth one is a hybrid blockchain. So hybrid blockchain is controlled by one authority with some permissionless process. Just you can see this example is in bureaucracy, where every file starting from lower positions to higher positions, then higher authority passed, then the regular and then the regulation, and the regulation, then the act will be passed. So let's discuss according to step by step. Public blockchain are permissionless in nature. Permissionless means there is no central authority. Allow anyone to join and are completely decentralized. Public blockchain allow all node of blockchains to have equal right to access the blockchain, create new block of data, and validate block of data. Public blockchain are primarily used for exchanging and mining cryptocurrency. You have heard of popular public blockchains such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Tron. On these public blockchains, the nodes for cryptocurrency of creating block for the transaction requested on the network by solving cryptographic equations. In return for this hard work, the miner node earn a small amount of cryptocurrency. The miner essentially acts as a new bank teller that formulate a transaction and receive a fee for their efforts. Okay, let's discuss the private blockchain. Private blockchain are permissions blockchain. Permissions means it is a control by a single organization. In a private blockchain, the central authority determines who can be node. The central authority also doesn't necessarily grant each node with equal right to perform function. Private blockchain are only a partially decentralized because of public access to this blockchain is restricted. Some example of public blockchain are the business to business, virtual currency exchange, network Ripple, Hyperledger, an umbrella project of open source blockchain applications. Both private and public blockchain have drawback. Public blockchains tends to have longer validation time for new data. The private blockchain are more vulnerable to fraud and bad actor. To address these drawback, consortium and hybrid blockchain was established. Consortium blockchains are permissions blockchain governed by a group of organizations rather than one entity. As in the case of private blockchain, consortium blockchains therefore enjoy more decentralization than private blockchain, resulting in higher level of security. However, setting up consortium can be a fraud process as it requires cooperation between a number of organizations, which presents logistical changes as well as potential antitrust risk. The last one is a hybrid blockchains. Hybrid blockchains are blockchains that are controlled by a single organization, but the level of oversight performed by public blockchain, which is required to perform certain transaction validation. An example of hybrid blockchain is IBM Food Trust, which was developed to improve efficiency throughout the whole food supply chain. Okay, we will discuss IBM Food Trust in more detail in upcoming. Okay, the last one is the main point is, so here are the list of some strong and solid blockchains that we are currently using the cryptocurrency space. So first one we can say Bitcoin have on blockchain. Ethereum on blockchains, Litecoin, Cardano, Polkadot, Bitcoin Cash, Stellar, XLM, Dogecoin, Binance Coin, Solana, Matic, the previous name was Matic, Polygon, Luna, Abax, Akala, Android Gold, Filecoin, Phantom, Hydra, Hashgraph, Harmony, Quantum, Theta, Tombow, Monero, XR, these all have on blockchain. Public and invested lots of money in these blockchains. They most of these blockchains, multi-blockchain in the crypto space, because all want to improve this public blockchain, all want to block time, to reduce the block time, to reduce the time. They all, and some are increasing block time, reducing time. All are doing for all these blockchains, and different blockchains have certain tasks to do to improve ultimately the previous blockchain. Okay, so let's next point is very important. Okay, let's go to Binance. Okay, guys. Okay, why I choose Binance Exchange? Because it's a world best trusted exchange. We can in next classes we can discuss about Coinbase, OBI Pro, Ucon, OKX, Kraken. There are so lots of good exchanges. Okay, let's see. See here, we are in a deposit section. We want to deposit Bitcoin. So we will choose. Okay, just we click on this coin. So Bitcoin. So here, this is written already here. Deposit to. This is a network. So we will click on network and we will see which network we want to deposit the fund. So you can see BNB, backend chain, BNB backend web 2, BNB smart chain, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Segwit. These are the network on which network we want to deposit. So let's say we want to deposit on Bitcoin. So okay, we can see this address. Okay, here are everything is written already. Expected arrival after one network confirmation in the blockchain network, fund will be deposited. Expected unlock two network confirmation के बाद ये this will be unlock. Selected wallet, spot wallet, everything. Okay, so let's change to. So you have this. This is the address. So last digit 2C, ES 2C. Okay. Next BC, we want to deposit in BNB smart chain. Let's see for the address. See here, this address is different. Network is different, so different is different. Okay, next. Okay, Ethereum. Okay, so here is a pop-up message that this deposit address support ERC20 B BTC token. Please ensure your destination address support B BTC token under the contract address ending in. Okay, let's see. So this is the address. So you have seen the ERC20 token address is similar to Binance Smart Chain address. Both addresses are same. Mostly cases. Okay, you can deposit in this address also BNB vacant chain. So both so here see here it is written here both address and memo are required. So okay, we click on this. So Web20 is an old block network of Binance. They improve with the smart chain. So now widely used smart chain in the crypto space. So here is the address. Okay, this address mostly starting with BNB is a memo code. This have to fill from here. We want to deposit on this exchange. So this is a compulsory. If we will not fill this code, our fund will be lost. We cannot say lost, but it will be. We have to work hard to recover the fund. We have to contact customer care. So don't do these silly mistakes while depositing. Next, okay. So next we can take another example. Suppose we want to deposit one harmony. Okay. Let's see it. See, okay, we went to Harmony. So okay, so we will choose network. So which if we want to send Harmony, so Harmony support only okay, beacon chain, web 2 chain, and Harmony have also on blockchain. So it's a very okay. So this is the deposit section. Okay, let's see if we want to withdraw. The same situation will occur here. Okay, so now we want to withdraw. Okay, so which coin we want to withdraw. So let's see. So what should be in mind while withdrawing crypto to crypto? So let's see. We want to withdraw Bitcoin. So we have to fill a Bitcoin address. Before filling this address, we have to choose network on which address we are going to send our Bitcoin. Which network? So suppose think about you are going to send your Bitcoin to all Bitcoin blockchain. So we will click here. Okay, see here. Everything is written on this pop-up window. Bitcoin arrival time it will take around 60 minutes. Fees is 21, approximately $22, 0.005 BTC. Okay, if you are sent to the Bitcoin on blockchain, so it's very costly. Next, you can see that Ethereum blockchain. If you want to send Bitcoin to Ethereum blockchain, it will take $29. That's too costly than Bitcoin on blockchain. The Binance smart chain. If you want to send Bitcoin to Binance, it takes 0.22 cent. It's very convenient and very cheap price. So if I want to send Bitcoin to my friend, I will choose a Binance smart chain, and I will tell my friend, yeah, where I want to send fund. I will say him or her that give me a Binance, your BTC Binance smart chain wallet address. So Binance smart chain web 20, yeah, Binance smart BNB smart chain is supported by all DEX all wallet in the market. So because why I am choosing this, because it's very convenient. Okay, let's if you are not a fond of Binance, yeah, BNB, so you can, if you want to see, if you want to send TRX, you can choose TRX. Let's say TRX. Okay, so you want to send TRX. Okay, so Let's see. So TRX, let's see here. TRX much cheaper than Binance Smart Chain. Binance Smart Chain stick charging 20 cent, but TRX charging only 1 TRX. That's equal to 0.06 cents. It's much cheap. So I will choose, if my fund want fund from me, I will prefer to TRX. It's a very cheap. Okay, let's say if you want to send Binance USD, okay, I will choose network. If I choose Ethereum network, $35. If I choose Binance Smart Chain, it's take 0 USD. It will not charge anything. So just I want to say that if you want to send or deposit your fund, both networks should be the same. If you want to send from here, here I choose Binance. If I choose Binance Smart Chain, so address should be a Binance Smart Chain. If I choose Ethereum blockchain network, so address should be Ethereum blockchain. So these are the beginning understanding of different network. So Cointelegraph, you can also read about these the beginning guide to different type of blockchain network from Cointelegraph. Everything is written on that. Okay guys, I hope you understand this lesson. So we will meet you in next session.